Hi friends, I know that many of us have been struggling to get the multi-monitor setup for MacBook Pro 2020 version with an M1 chip on it. Even if we get it done, we usually end up with one display on the MacBook screen and the connected monitors. I now have two monitors connected over here. This is a QHD monitor and the other one is a 4K LG monitor. So even if we are able to connect the MacBook Pro 2020 with an M1 chip to these two monitors, we usually end up with the same screen getting displayed on both these external monitors. So now what I'm going to explain to you over here is how to connect this MacBook Pro 2020 with an M1 chip and have one display here or one screen getting displayed here and these two monitors acting in an extended display mode so that you have a second screen here and a completely different screen here on this as well. And I was able to achieve this with a total of less than $100 of budget, so it's not a huge amount that we are looking at to spend over here. So let us look at what we need to have this setup done. This is my MacBook Pro. This is the 2020 version with the M1 chip on it, and I have two external monitors. The first one is a LG QHD monitor. This is a 34-inch ultra wide monitor, and this is a LG 32-inch 4K monitor. Now for connecting these two monitors we need to have the cables as well. So either we can use a HDMI cable for this monitor and a HDMI cable for this monitor, but the way that I've done is I've connected this QHD monitor using a display port and this monitor using a regular HDMI port. Again, I'll also show you as to how you can do this using the HDMI cables itself. Now the next thing that we need is a docking station. Now this is a docking station that I got from Amazon. This is from a company called Mokin, and this I just got it for around $40, and this has around 9 external ports. We have USB-A ports, we have USB 3.0, we have USB-C ports, we have two HDMI ports, we have a display port, and we also have the memory card reader as well out here. Now we'll be connecting one of the monitors using the display port here, and we will not be using these HDMI cables here. Of course, if you do not have a display port on your monitor, you can connect the first monitor to this HDMI port here, and for the second monitor you cannot use a second HDMI port because that will not work with the MacBook Pro 2020 with the M1 chip on it. So you will need one more piece of accessory, which I'm just going to show it to you. So the second adapter that we need is a USB 3.0 to a HDMI adapter. Now this is from a company called Cable Creations. Now the reason why we need this specific adapter is this is the only one that is cheap enough and that supports what we call as a display link technology. A display link technology adapter can only be used to connect the second monitor as of today with the MacBook Pro 2020 with the M1 version on it. So this was the cheapest one that I got from Amazon. So this has a USB port on one side and this has a HDMI port on the other side. So let us first connect the docking station to the laptop. So I'm just taking this docking station's cable and connecting it to one of the Thunderbolt ports on my MacBook Pro. Now that's connected. Now the second one that we need to do is we'll use the MacBook Pro's charging cable and connect it to the port out here on the docking station that you see here. So now the MacBook Pro's charger is powering the docking station, and through the docking station the laptop is also getting its power supply. Now that we have connected the power supply to the laptop, let us connect the first monitor to this docking station. So I'm connecting this monitor using a DisplayPort cable. Of course, if you do not have DisplayPort, you can connect the HDMI port of this docking station to the first monitor. Any of these ports are okay. So for now, I'm not using the HDMI cable, but I'm using the DisplayPort to connect it over here. Now as soon as you connect the display port of this docking station to the monitor, the first monitor will start booting up and you'll see the applications getting displayed as it is from MacBook Pro. In case you see similar to this, if you see the screens getting replicated or mirrored, just go to the system preferences, go to displays and switch off these mirror displays option. Now as soon as you switch that off, you'll see that the MacBook Pro is now displaying one application out here. Again, I do not have any application that's open now. Maybe I'll just open a Word document. So now a Word document is getting displayed here, whereas another application is getting displayed on the first monitor. Now let us begin connecting the second monitor. So for that, I'm just using this HDMI cable from the second monitor and connecting it to this Cable Creations HDMI output here. So from this HDMI port, the HDMI cable connects to the second monitor, and now we just use this USB 3.0 cable and connect it to the USB 3.0 docking station here. So I just connected the USB 3.0 cable from the Cable Creation box to this docking station's 3.0 port. As soon as I do that, the third monitor also comes up. So the first one is your laptop screen, the second is your first monitor, third screen is your second monitor. Now let me just open Excel and maybe try to move it to the new screen as well. So now here you see that I have Excel running out here on the second monitor, Word document on the first monitor, whereas PowerPoint on the MacBook Pro. Thank you. I hope it was useful. Have a great day.